In this video, we will deep dive into the Aditya Birla Sun Life Guaranteed Milestone Plan, where we unpack guaranteed benefits, structured savings, and how it can secure your family's goals. Here's our roadmap. We'll explain what this plan is, its core features and benefits, eligibility, policy terms and premiums, maturity and death payouts, riders, tax perks, pros and cons, plus how to buy and claim. First off, this is a non-linked, non-participating policy, no market exposure, no profit sharing. Instead, you get fully guaranteed maturity or death benefits, plus annual additions to grow your corpus. With this plan, both your death benefit and maturity benefit are fully guaranteed. You know exactly what you or your loved ones will receive, regardless of market ups and downs. It also offers the option to cover your spouse under the same plan, making it ideal for couples. And if you want to customize your coverage further, optional riders can be added to suit your life's unique risks and needs. The plan is open to anyone aged between 30 days and 60 years, making it suitable whether you're just starting out or planning for retirement. You can choose a policy term of 12 to 26 years and pay premiums for 6, 8, 10, or 12 years depending on your selected term. Your sum assured will be 15 times your annualized premium, giving you substantial coverage. And when it comes to payments, you have the flexibility to pay annually, semi-annually, quarterly, or monthly, whatever suits your budget and cash flow. Your premium paying term varies with your policy length. For 12 or 14-year plans, you pay premiums for 6 years. It's front-loaded to help you free up cash flow later in the term. Premiums fall into 3 bands. Band 1 covers 15,000 rupee to 49,999 rupees. Band 2 is 50,000 rupee to 99,999 rupees. And Band 3 is 100,000 rupees and above, each affecting loadings and guaranteed additions. Premiums paid annually have zero loading, no extra cost. Semi-annual, quarterly, or monthly modes carry small loadings to cover administrative fees. Your death benefit equals the highest of your chosen sum assured, 105% of total premiums paid, or 10 times your annual premium, paid in 10 equal installments or as a discounted lump sum. With the joint life option, both spouses are insured. The primary life gets full benefits. The secondary spouse gets 20% of that sum assured. If both pass, the nominee receives the joint payout. On surviving the policy term, you receive the sum assured at maturity, equal to total premiums paid, plus all accrued guaranteed additions. It's a neat lump sum for your next milestone. Guaranteed additions accumulate every month and are added to your corpus at maturity or death. The rate depends on your age, policy term, premium band, and whether you chose joint life. You can enhance your coverage with optional riders like accidental death and disability, critical illness, surgical care, hospital care, and more. These riders add an extra layer of protection for specific life events, like a major illness, an accident, or a hospital stay. Each rider comes at an additional premium and pays out independently if its specific conditions are met. You can surrender your policy anytime after 1 year. After year 2, you'll get whichever is higher, the guaranteed surrender value or the special surrender value declared by the company. You can take a loan against your policy after completing 1 full policy year, provided your plan has built up a surrender value. The maximum loan amount is up to 85% of the surrender value. Interest is charged daily at a floating rate. Currently, it's 11.10% per annum, based on the SBI base rate plus 1%. Just remember, if your outstanding loan ever exceeds the surrender value, the policy will be terminated. So borrow responsibly and keep track of repayments. If you miss a premium payment, you still have a grace period to catch up. That's 30 days for annual, semi-annual, or quarterly modes, and 15 days for monthly mode. During this time, your policy stays active, and all benefits remain intact. Just make sure to pay before the grace period ends to avoid lapse or reduced benefits. Miss a payment after year 1, and your policy converts to reduced paid-up status. Benefits scale down proportionately, but existing guaranteed additions up to that point remain attached. If your policy lapses, you have up to 5 years to revive it. Simply pay all outstanding premiums plus accrued interest, and provide evidence of insurability to restore full benefits. Your policy will terminate in any of the following situations: once the full death benefit has been paid, either through installments or a lump sum, when the policy is surrendered by you, once the maturity benefit is disbursed, or if the plan is cancelled during the free look period. Also, if you've taken a loan and the outstanding amount ever exceeds the surrender value, the policy will automatically terminate. In all these cases, coverage and benefits come to an end. Nomination and assignment follow Section 39 of the Insurance Act. Always designate a beneficiary, and check the website for assignment procedures under Section 38. In case of suicide within 12 months of starting or reviving the policy, only the higher of surrender value or total premiums paid is paid out, a standard IRDAI requirement. Offline policies get 30 days to review. Online policies get 15 days. Free look refunds exclude risk premium, stamp duty, and medical exam fees. Your premiums qualify for tax deductions under Section 80C up to 1.5 lakh rupees per financial year. Maturity and death proceeds are usually tax exempt under Section 1010D, subject to limits. Here are the strengths: guaranteed returns with no market risk, a straightforward structure anyone can understand, and attractive tax benefits. And the trade-offs: lower liquidity if you exit early, and no market-linked upside, so it's not ideal for those chasing high returns. Compared to PPF's 15-year government-backed tenor or ELSS's volatile 3-year lock-in, the Milestone plan is a guaranteed, tax-free product spanning 12 to 26 years. Still have questions? Just check the description below and use the Contact Us form. Whether you are looking to buy, compare options, or simply clear up a few doubts, we is here to guide you through the process, step by step. Need to file a claim? Simply lodge it on ABSLI portal or visit any ABSLI branch with a death certificate, policy copy, and KYC documents. Claims are usually settled within 30 days. This plan is ideal for young parents who want to build a secure financial foundation for their children's education or marriage. It also works well for retirement-focused savers looking for predictable income later in life, risk-averse investors who prefer guaranteed returns over market fluctuations, and couples who want joint life insurance under a single, convenient policy. Before you make any decision, take a moment to reflect. Think about your long-term goals, your risk appetite, and your monthly cash flow. This plan offers solid guarantees, but like any financial product, it works best when it fits your unique life plan. So take your time, weigh your options, and choose what feels right for your future. Thanks for watching. Check out the video description. We've packed it with resources just for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs it.